Hello everybody, good afternoon. I'm Shizan once again in front of you. Hope you all are bright and shiny. I'm also fit as a fiddle by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today's video topic is my hometown. So first of all, the name of my hometown is Jashore. Jashore is an administratively and politically important region of Khulna division in the southwest region of Bangladesh. Jashore is the 13th largest district of Bangladesh in terms of administrative structure. This district consists of 8 upazilas in Khulna division. Its area is 2607 square kilometers. The population is around 31 lakh as per 2022 census. 60 square miles are river area in Jashore. Its distance from the capital Dhaka is about 212 km. Zineda district and Magura district of the north of Jashore, Satkhira district to the south, Khulna district to the south, India to the west, and the Narail district to the east. Moreover, Jashore was the first independent district in Bangladesh Liberation War. Important places of the Jashore districts are Jashore IT Park, Moniar Cinema Hall, Phulerhat Gothkhali, Benapol Land Port, Chasra Shiv Mandir, Collector Park, and so on. Besides, there are 93 unions, 1477 villages, 1036 mouzas, and 35 police outposts in this district. Jashore's famous peoples are Shahnaz Datto, Mohammad Moniruzzaman, Jatindranath Datto, Michael Madhusudan Datto, and so on. Jashore is famous for date juice and molasses. There are schools, colleges, hospitals, markets, mosques, and parks. Many people live there peacefully. The roads are clean and the environment is fresh. Many people from other districts come here to buy fresh fish. It is also famous for kind people and natural beauty. There are green fields, trees, and rivers all around. I love the calm and simple life of my hometown. In short, my hometown is a peaceful and happy place. I feel proud of my hometown and I always love it. So that was my today's video, and thanks for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum.